Yeah, as we all know, Edric Ovelin was successful today at the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium, and the Brazilian-born talented forward was emotional during the Ovelin at the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium today. It was emotional for a dream come true, not just for himself alone, but also for his family. So good luck to him, since his dream of becoming a Real Madrid player has come true, and we wish him success ahead in the new season. Yeah, but come to think of it, Endrick is a very young talented player, and right now he's ready for a new chapter in his career at Spain. Although Endrick is a very good player, a very talented player, but I don't think he's going to have enough playing time at the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium, because players like Vinicius Junior, Mbappe and Rodrigo will always be the first choice at Real Madrid. Endrick cannot be a first team player since Kylian Mbappe is there as center forward, so it's almost going to be impossible to see the best out of him in every game because he won't get enough playing time, and even in most games I don't think he will even show up, because this is the same thing Arda Güler and other young talented players in the Real Madrid squad are experiencing. Arda Güler is a talented player, but he doesn't have enough play time at Real Madrid. We all know that. So I think the same thing will also happen to Endrick, but with time I think they will get enough play time. The only time I think Endrick can get enough play time is only when Mbappe is not fit or maybe he's injured. That is the only way I think Endrick can get enough playing time, but for now I don't think so. So my suggestion for Endrick would have been that Endrick join another team like FC Barcelona or Chelsea or Manchester City or Liverpool. He would have get enough playing time if he joined club like Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, AC Milan. So but all the same, good luck to him. I don't know, maybe Real Madrid will have a new system this season that can make Endrick, Mbappe, Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo to be in the game at the same time and play together. Maybe they will have a system like that will make all four players to play together. Yeah, but let's just watch out how it goes. So good luck to Endrick, Arda Güler and other young talent in the Real Madrid squad in this upcoming season. Yeah, thank you.